how to log out of Instacart account. So if you want to log out of your Instacart account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Instacart. Go for the first search, which is www.instacart.com, and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to log out of your account, then here after logging in, here on the upper left, you will have a 3-bar icon. You can simply click on that 3-bar icon, and here you can scroll down and scroll all the way down, and here on the bottom, on the last option, you will have log out. So you can simply click on that log out, and here you can click on OK, and that's it. That's how you log out of your Instacart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.